What's going on, guys? We're back. It's been I think about a month since I've uploaded a video for the Maxima. I have been uploading videos here and there from just random things that I do. When it comes to the Maxima, it turns out there's so many videos that I made. That car is done and gone already, but it's just hard to get to editing all these long videos and going through it, making sure that I have all the right content for you guys to follow along and kind of keep track of what I'm doing. So here's another video, mainly just prepping the engine bay and the car and the engine and transmission all to get installed. And then yeah, follow along, guys. Thank you. Round two.